Hello everybody, my name is, oh well, I'm not gonna tell my name. And now we're gonna be playing Minecraft, yay! Oh. I wasn't expecting that. Oh god. Look, I have this sword. I know gold could break easily, but let's try the update. What? There's 2. There's 4? Man. Okay, I'm just gonna go around the one. Another one? Oh my goodness. Oh my lord. Oh, no. So it looks like, I bet there's one. I'm just gonna go up. Oh. Part. So you know what's happening. Okay. Why does gold still need to be breakable? Why? Oh, there's spawners. There's 2 spawners. There's another spawner. There's another spawner. There's spawners everywhere. There's just a block ability and a run ability. Ah! Right in my face. Oh. Oh god, no. No, on you. Oh. Those spawners on top of my house. Seriously. The game just just want to ruin my let's play, and now this is what I get. Why? I hate you all. And then the update that and look at their face. In the last update of 9.5, their face was all like a skull. And that's it. Now in the 11.011.1 update, and look at their face. They finally have some skin. Oh my god, and they're very difficult. There's also baby zombies, pigmen, and zombies, as you can notice. If you guys dare to notice. And oh god, no. Oh. Darn. Sorry guys. He's on me, pigmen. Why are you guys after me? I can hear you. You don't want to talk. Well, I definitely do not want to go out there. So why were you guys trying to kill me? Why? That's good. My sister in the background. Looks like the zombie pigmen still don't want to talk. Go! Go! I don't mind about that video. I don't mind. One more shot. Oh, thank God. Oh, it's a lot of zombie pigments out there. Oh god, it's very hard. There's too much lag. Guys, set this. Okay then. Too much lag, and that crashed in my Minecraft Pocket Edition. If that happens, I might as well start the whole episode all over again. Oh yes, yes, 2, 3. Screw you, pals. Stop! Stupid, sorry, pretty much stupid. Where's she be? Oh, forgot it. There's some wolves.
Especially after today. My mom means everything to me. She's the reason why I'm
Okay.
basis, and for me to be able to share that with somebody special means a lot to me.
Oh. And I think the reason why darn it! I think I know the reason why in the update where the wolves have to like attack the skeletons because darn it, no! Why did I do that? Well, because that's you know that skeletons are made of bones, so it's like basically like real life. They like bones. Oh god. Oh god. Ah. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed it. Leave in the comments for more episodes. Hit the like button in the face. Look at us. And subscribe. Bye.